Hello guys, welcome to my vlog again. Halifax, good morning.
Where are you right now?
Halifax, Nova Scotia,
Province of...
Canada.
Wow.
Canada.
What is their language here? Do they speak
This is
French?
English speaking, no? Not like Quebec or Cabin Coffee. Oh, Chinese. Bopi, see? Ayan, kanin, no? Sa taas, Chinese restaurant. See?
Are you hungry right now?
Yeah, I
Are
see.
you longing for food?
Yes, of course. Yeah. You see? This is how Halifax looks like, guys. Ayun, no?
Going now.
No, upstairs.
Okay. What?
We are now going in downtown Halifax. It's we are in the mostly guys are food, you see, fine dining, Ocean Buffet,
This is the Chinatown.
empanada shop. Yeah. You see? Hey.
You see, where are you going now?
Yeah, go direct down.
Why are you there?
No, I was taking the ruler, you see? Yung cemetery dyan. Come here, we will go round by there. No? Ito yung simbahan na ano, nagsiserve ng pre-lunch dinner, kaya lang yung mga homeless lang. May pila dyan, no? May...
So is this a program from the government or is
No.
it private?
Religious groups.
And what type of church is this?
Catholic.
Catholic.
Yeah, if you go to the front.
Specifically
Yeah.
Orthodox?
No, it's
Pure
Roman.
Catholic.
Yeah, Roman.
Seems like nothing is here.
No, there's food, no?
You're hungry or just breakfast?
I just eat too much egg, my friend.
See the mural?
Yeah, that's why I'm taking that one. Oh, let's go. One more street and
We go back.
we go directly to the store.
Yeah, let's go up there.
No, this is university.
Okay.
One more Gothic church there up.
So the Gothic church is different from the Catholic.
Yeah. This I think that's the Orthodox, you said. No?
Okay. Sounds interesting.
Yes. It's Chinese. Ito, hindi maglalak cellphone ko rito. Baka abutan pa natin si Harold. Andyan lang yung mula. Ayun, kabila niyan. Same guy, we are still in the old street of Halifax with mga lumang building, nakikita nyo. and then mixed with the commercial buildings, residential. So actually Halifax guys, big city, so
Big city?
yeah. So,
How can you say it's big city when you don't know how much people live here?
I never count, no. I never have to. I never estimate only,
Yeah.
and I have no time to count it. You see the mall? See?
This
Yeah, this is the mall.
Okay.
Where
Where are we headed now?
we go to the small plaza,
Okay.
and then we go back to this. Well, let's go.
We have something to take photos.
Yeah, of course. You see?
You see? You see?
You see big flag of Canada, something. Urban Sweeter, see? You like some mas maganda pa nga yung mga video mo instant kaysa may pa ano-ano ka pa. Walang nanonood. Yung mga basta na lang.
Ganito lang nga.
Oo. Mga ganito ba? Hindi may mga...
Pira ni RJ, pang vlogger talaga yun.
Oh.
60.
Kaya nga.
500 daw bilhin niya nun.
Hindi, kahit naman ano, basta masipag ka lang. May pera sa social media.
Walang problema dun kayo. Papasarin mo na ganyan.
Hindi gadget.
Share, follow.
Kita mo yung iba, halos maghubad na. Wala nga nanonood eh.
Kahit yung
Oo.
video.
Oo. Kaya nga, this Sunday, that's why.
Then why did we decide to go short?
Yeah, because you wanna go outside. Yeah, you see.
So you guys are drinking. I didn't expect that you guys are drinking after duty. Very strange.
You see, African cuisine.
Where are we headed now?
No, we'll go ahead and go back to the... Thank you. Ay, wow, okay. This is Baptist Church. No? I was here last time.
You were here last time.
Yeah, because
So, they have their service right now since
no.
it's Sunday.
No, only Catholics have pray. But the other one, near the cemetery, there is
Sunday.
Yeah, but
They should have some ongoing service right now.
maybe.
Can you take a look?
No, nothing. It's
Nothing.
totally empty, no?
Diba tambal yung nagawa ko kabel?
Oh, mga hubag-hubag. Mamagaya mo na sa ila siguro. Why do you close the streets?
The church totally.
No, that is close to pedestrian way. This is the mall. See? Halifax.
Let's see what time it is. Ayun, there are more people.
Lagi.
May lang people.
Ganito lang guys, hindi na namin inaano yung trabaho kasi pagod na nga, trabaho pa pinag-uusapan. So gala naman.
We are really tired of sitting.
We are really tired of working hard.
We are really tired of sitting.
Ayan, yun lang. Dito lang ako, square. Yan yung mga, nasabi yung mga bike. Kaya lang, alas 11 pa magsara.
Huwag na.
Ano yan dyan?
Mga bilihan. Yan, lahat. Cups.
Dyan yung pupunta sa Aaron.
Oh, ito guys yung...
Malayo yung puntahan nun, mga bear.
Malayo ba?
40 minutes na mall yun.
Kung lakarin, nagbike.
Hindi, Mike yun. Yung nilakad niya, 1 hour and 30 minutes eh.
Grabe. Ayun, Taipan. It's still close to kainan, no?
Binibili niya talaga yung mga cup na yan. Just to go.
Yeah, grocery. At least hindi malugi yung aking labas, di ba? meron akong vlog for today. Or at least,
You didn't
yeah, it's
talk of
no, I mean, you know, to have some viewers, you have to tag people, otherwise,
yeah.
and they will share your video to other. Yeah, so see, according to them, eat, drink, refit, and defend public house. You see, ano para to dito? Yun yung ano nila sa gabi.
Then we're heading
Ganda
out
rito paggabi.
Oo, sa gabi.
this way.
No, this way, this way.
Uh,
This way.
this way is better.
We go to the university, Halifax.
We can see
Yeah. I was been there also, no, this church.
what kind of fish.
This is Orthodox Church, I think. Ayan, Pilipino, ilang-ilang, no? See? Wala eh. Yung hinahanap ko eh. Mostly are Asian, but ano? Ayun. It's open or closed? Where is it? Down or? Sorry. They are not open on Sunday. Ayun, Presbyterian pala, Presbyterian. Ayun yung mulo, yan dyan lang, di ba? Yun ang sinasabi niya, Harold, wala namang ibang mulo dito.
Meron pa mo.
Meron pa daw iba?
Malayo yun, di ayaw sumama.
Ito, Presbyterian pala to. Ito. So, pero ano pa rin yan, no? Great food, great drinks, great times. Pero ano pa rin yan? Ano nga Roger Square nga eh. Mall pa rin yan.
See? They should have a worship today.
No, it's already 10, no? Nothing.
Yeah, I mean, on 11 a.m. they will have.
11. Yeah. No, 7. Ay, 11. Puta, kahit pastor pala dito, hindi gumigising na maaga, no? Good.
You should make the
How
about it.
how Jesus came here early if those preaching are didn't still sleeping, no?
Sleeping
Oh, come.
Dito tayo, dami mga
No, that is cool. The oldest university. I think in the world, this is one of the biggest university. Yeah, this one. Yeah.
Why is there a
Yeah, I got my degree of environmental science up here before.
nice?
Yeah, I was here before.
Was that previous life?
No, that's before the war. You see, all the
I think this place didn't exist before the war.
yeah, no, it exists because according to history, some British legions. Yeah, this is the church. I mean, they are on the other side.
Okay.
They're serving a free dinner and lunch for the homeless guys. Yeah,
You should try, you know?
you see, this is a library, no? But this is the oldest university in Halifax. Simple lang, di ba? Sa atin. Pag,
Your viewers don't understand. You should speak English.
no, I mean, see? Now we have go to the well-known cemetery affair.
So, this way?
Yeah, this way.
Okay. Then we go this way.
Go this way and we go that way. Direct to the to the department store, grocery. But this is a nice.
To attend the church.
Yeah, this is
Do you think I can come inside?
not yet 11. Yes, the press is still sleeping. I have no idea why these people sleeping. Oh, may mga nakaparada mga ano. Kasi nung pumunta ako dito, haba ng pila eh. Oh, dyan. Sikat yan na cemetery. Ayun, si sister. Ano, simba muna tayo? Ay, sorry.